20 plus. And even na men's volleyball, makikita natin yung growth na ngayon may mga players tayo na nasa ibang bansa na talaga. So, yung growth ng volleyball dito sa Pilipinas, ang laki ng binago simula nung nag-start ako mag-volleyball. So, for me, ito, panibago na naman to na pagkakataon para mag-grow pa yung men's and women's volleyball sa Pilipinas.
Yes, JV, and you've mentioned about growth. What do you think are the secrets of the growing community of volleyball here in the Philippines?
Unang-una yung sikreto dito for me is yung mga taong magtitiwala. Like Manny Pacquiao, si Senator Manny Pacquiao, alam natin na yung tiwalang binibigay niya sa mga players, nag-umpisa siya ng panibago na naman like MPB.
When we return.
Pang maglaro. Diba? Gusto nyo pang maglaro, gusto nyo pang mapasama sa isang liga na competitive, na marami kayong makakalaban na magagaling. And yun po naman ang gusto naming mai-offer sa inyo. Yung makapaglaro pa kayo at makapagpasaya pa kayo ng mga tao. So, yung iba hong mga team owners, nakita na ho kayo maglaro, may mga tinanong na sila. But dito sa liga natin na to, importante yung inyong place or city of origin. So I hope you filled up that part in your application form para alam nila kung saan yung inyong locality, because we also give value dun sa mga homegrown talents, no? Yung mga kung saan kayo talaga nanggaling. So maraming salamat. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung facilitators natin, Coach Yani, Coach Kung Fu, Coach George Pascua. Maraming salamat. And sa inyong lahat sa tiwala na binigay nyo sa amin. We are targeting October as the opening, so malapit na po yun. So abangan nyo po, abangan nyo yung tawag ng ating mga team owners. Bago tayo
After weeks of speculation and anticipation, we finally get a glimpse of what Team Maharlika Pilipinas Volleyball Association is all about. And Jong, I love the turnout of not only from these wonderful players that took the leap of faith to participate, but also ang ating mga team owners and coaches na nandito.
Exactly, Ken. Well, this is a long day for our hopeful talents. You know what, Ken? They went through a warm-up, they go through a skill drill, and then they played with each other and to test their gelling, to test the chemistry and the team effort. And for sure, not only the team owners, yung may